Welcome, today I am with iPhone 13 mini and I will show you a couple camera tricks. At the first I'm going to start about the best features that you can find in the settings, and after that I will move to the camera. So to open the camera settings we have to scroll down and the camera will appear right here. So when you enter we can find the first useful option. There's the option called use volume up button for birdshot. So birdshot is just basically the series of the photo. So when you tap on the switcher and enable this option, take a look right now how it works. Oh, I just misclicked, sorry guys. Here we have the camera. So let's click and hold the volume up button. As you can see on the shutter, we can take a lot of photos. Okay, right now we can release. Then we can go for the gallery. And if you want to take a look on the other photos, have to click select. And then as you can see here, we can find all photos that we take by using this option called the series of the photo. So if you want to save, for example, this photo, you have to click here. You can also select this one, and also this one. So we have to click done. In the right upper corner, we can keep everything or only 4 favorites. So we can decide. And right now I leave only these 4 photos. So yeah, that's the first option that we can use. Right now let's move for composition, where we can find the grid lines. So when you enable this option and then open the camera, we can find the help grid lines on the screen, as you can see right here, and also the camera leveler. So with this help grid lines you are able to take better composition on your photos. So for example, if you want to put something inside in the middle on your photo, like for example this butts case, we are able to make it definitely easier with this help grid lines on the screen. So yeah, that's the cool and useful feature. And when you're here, we are also able to turn on or turn off the mirror front camera. So if you want to get your photo like on the preview, or you don't want to get on the preview, you want to flip the selfie photo, you can tap here on the switcher to enable and disable this option. And honestly, I think that's all from the settings. You know, there's not a lot of customized options like in the Android smartphones, but when you are going for the normal camera mode and tap on this arrow, we are able, for example, to change exposure manually, so we can increase or decrease the brightness level on our photos. Take a look. So it's one of the features from the Android smartphone Pro mode. In this place, when you click, we are able to set up timer, so we can go for 3 or 10 seconds. Let's pick 3 for example. Click on the shutter, and after 3 seconds the photo will be taken automatically. And here we can also add filters to our photos, so we can quickly change the temperature and the colors in our photo without using any external application from the App Store. So we can use, for example, this one. Let me just turn off this camera timer. We can use this one. And maybe this one. Take a look right now. As you can see, that's how the difference looks. So there's the black and the white, there's vivid, and that's the warm filter. Okay, let me just go back. And also when you click on the screen and then move this sun icon, we are also able to adjust the brightness level. So we can make it with exposure, but also we can make it with this little tiny sun icon. So we can simply increase or decrease brightness level. You can make it by your own. Of course, you can turn it off by tapping outside, and it will be adjusted automatically. In this place, we can also change the frame rate. It's basically the aspect ratio, but it also changed the quality of your photos. So you have to remember that. And honestly, I think that's all from this camera. There's nothing more that we can make. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.